Let's make a cutout paper artwork like Henry Matisse. Grab a few pieces of paper in colors that you are excited to work with. Be sure to cut out shapes with your scissors carefully and freely, but be sure to cut them out from the top part of the paper. If you cut them out from the middle, your paper could be wasted. Wiggle your scissors and turn them freely, but be safe when you're cutting out these free-flowing organic shapes. Keep cutting out shapes until you have a few to work with, and then grab your background paper to start arranging. When you're arranging, play around. Move the pieces around, put some under, put some over, put some on top and around in the corners, and rearrange until it seems to make you happy. Even after you rearrange, you might decide you want more shapes. So grab your colorful paper, cut out more shapes from that top portion of the paper, and add them to your artwork. Keep track of your scraps so that you're not making a huge mess in your work area. Once you've cut several organic shapes and started to rearrange them on the page, you might decide that you want to go with a theme. I found that my shapes lent themselves to flowers and leaves, so I decided to make them appear as flowers and leaves. Once you've decided that you like your design, grab one of your papers that you cut out from to use as your glue surface protector, which means that everything you're gluing, you're putting on the paper so that you're getting the paper gluey rather than your table. Glue the back side of each of your pieces, and you'll have to rearrange a little bit because everything will get jumbled. When I was trying to glue on my pieces, it got quite jumbled and my idea changed, but I'm still happy with it in the end. Keep track of your glue lid so you can find it later. Add the glue to the outside of the shapes in a nice layer. If you work quickly, you can pull up a few of your papers to put other papers underneath it. You might find that you don't want to use all of your organic shapes in your art. Henri Matisse left his artwork into simple cutout shapes. I wanted to add definition by adding designs with a black marker. Maybe you add designs in the background onto your shapes, or you leave it blank like Henri Matisse would do. Don't forget to put your name on your art. And when you're done, it's time to take responsibility and take care of our workspace. So grabbing your papers, we're going to cut off the weird stuff at the top, which means that we can save the bottom halves of paper for use later. Have fun creating your Henri Matisse inspired cutout shape art.